cops doing here? Oh, God. We pulled over on the side of the road so you could... We pulled over on the side of the road so you could piss? We're about 45 minutes into this f***ing trip, and we pull over on the side of the road like something's wrong.
Can't take this kid anywhere.
This motherfucking Nick is over here pissing on the side of the road. We're not 45 minutes into this trip. Look, we couldn't have stopped at a gas station right there. We gotta pull over on the side of the highway.
I definitely have already said.
Yeah, I've probably burned something. What's up? Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. We're on the way down to Tallahassee today. Me and Thomas, that_H2. We're gonna be in Tallahassee this weekend. It's not how I wanted to start the video off, but I figured it might be an appropriate time to let you guys know what's going on today. If you guys can't tell, it's cold as shit right now. It's probably like 45 degrees outside. And we're on the side of the road because Nick had to piss and couldn't wait to get to a rest stop. So, everything coming out all right over there? Everything shriveled up? Are you good?
It's so weird because the piss was steaming.
It was steaming. Oh, I bet.
That means it's cold.
It's fucking cold. All right, well, I'll see you guys once it's light outside. It's a little too dark and cold for this shit right now. Let's get back on the road. Hey, do what? Hey, but on a real note though, those wheel lights though, looking, ooh. After an exciting morning, not too bad of a drive. I've never filmed with the Florida sign before, and we're coming into Florida right now. I've never stopped and filmed here, so I wanted to take the opportunity when I got the boys here with me to come and step into Florida on camera. We're back in Florida, baby. Let's f***ing go.
You need to get a that wide bow tie sticker and stick it on that sign.
I wonder if I gotta, is that like, you think if I put a Southern Ties sticker on there, that's illegal? You think putting a Southern Ties sticker on the...
Do you have one on you? Wait, do you have one on you?
Yeah.
Do it. Fuck yeah, do it.
Let me see if there's any cameras or anything.
They don't care, it's a sign. I shouldn't say this on camera. We used to steal the signs down in Panacea. Do it. You got a white one? That'll probably stand out the most.
Think seafoam green's the way to go?
Hell yeah, it'll match the green up there. What are we, like 20 minutes out?
Like 10, 15 minutes. Should I put it actually on the sign or just on the metal?
No, put it on the, where will it? No, it'll, actually, yeah, put it on the corner of the sign. It'll stand out more.
Oh, is that a cop?
Where?
Wait. There's it looks like that's a cop right there. Or it might just be a taxi. All right, screw it, we're going.
Ooh.
Southern Ties, baby. All right, let's go. Thank you. Oh, he's putting the window up. He's putting the window up. I remember my first time on YouTube. What are you doing?
Perfect.
I got something in my eye. So guys, welcome back to the channel. It is not even 12 o'clock yet, and it's been a very eventful day, like super eventful. We're back in Florida, we're back in Tallahassee. I'm sure you guys can tell. We got the whole fucking gang with us today. Got the whole gang. Mobbing out all over Tallahassee. We run shit out here. That's how it goes, you know, just low key. But we got a lot of, I don't know what the fuck we're doing today. We're gonna do what kind of trouble we get into. I already probably committed a felony this morning by putting that sticker on the sign. This probably might be a, I don't know. I think we might get in trouble. We'll see. Hey, we'll film it. It's all content for you guys. But you guys can tell by the title and the thumbnail, we have a very special guest here today. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Here, all right. Y'all know Old Box on Instagram. Everybody knows Old Box, right? The owner, founder extraordinaire of Higher Creations. Shout out to Higher Creations. Shout out to all the clubs in Tallahassee, man. Tallahassee's been, you know, we're bringing it up. We're bringing it up. Diverse Design, Street Obsessions, Noble Life Creations, Higher Creations. We got 4 clubs based out of Tallahassee right now, not including all the other, you know, little tiny clubs and stuff. But we're definitely bringing it up. But we got Sam. Sam's riding around with us today. Sam's got a 2016 or 17? 2016. It's got the 9-inch McGoy's lift kit, all powder coated blue that I'm going to show you guys. Wheel lights, 24x12s. He's always got different wheels on it. He switches it up probably every 3 or 4 days, it seems like. With the 37s, he's got some really cool speakers in the back that we're going to show you guys later. He's got the Starlight headliner. It's a super clean truck. Hey, shout out to Grill Tech. He's got a Grill Tech tip on here too. And the my favorite, probably my favorite, McGoy's traction bars, which are in my future at some point. At some point, yeah, who knows? You know, I say a lot of things. When they actually happen, who knows? But one thing that I will tell you guys is when I say something, eventually it happens. Eventually. But we'll see. We're going to have a good time today. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, show some love to the Bread Gang. I'm super excited to be back, and it's going to be a good ass couple of days. I can tell you that. Sam, I love the blue. I'm a big fan of the blue. It looks really good. I can't wait to see this truck at night with the wheel lights. Let me oh wow, lock me out then. That's why your truck's dirty. I'm just kidding. Look at the headliner. Hell yeah. You know, I miss my little tree forest. Christina made me get rid of it because she didn't like it. So I had to get rid of the little trees, yeah, which I'm a little upset about. Go show some love to Old Box. Oh, we got the Gen Y hitch with the bolt locks. Gotta have the bolt locks. Got them. Absolutely got them. What the f is this? So what are these, 8s? We got 6 8s and 2 10s? Yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Like I said, y'all go follow my boy on Instagram, Old Box, show some love. I gotta film this moment. Sam didn't know this. I've never done this to my truck. For those of you that don't know, this is how you do the fuckboy truck tailgate mod. It's the little hooks right here. Look, normally they sit like this so it goes all the way down and it closes. You flip it to the other side, you hook it on top. Bam. Bam. Mind blown. I just changed your life today. What are the cops doing here? Oh god. Oh no.
They're coming for your ass.
You're definitely in the wrong parking lot, I'll tell you that.
What the heck is going on right now? My truck's over there.
Whoa.
Oh, there.
The whole fire department, police department is coming.
God dang. Holy crap, there's like... Look, they're filming. Everybody's filming.
You better get the fuck out of here.
I mean, I know I used to live here, but it's not that serious, is it?
You ain't getting out.
They're filming. You're filming.
We got 3 fire trucks. I see 2 cops and then 2 fire truck cars right now. Sorry, 4 fire trucks. There's another one on the way.
I guess we better wait.
What is that, like a chicken restaurant?
I want to walk over there. My truck's over there. I might as well fucking walk over there.
Fuck it, let's go.
My truck's over there.
There's literally a cop there. Your friend.
I'm trying to keep the camera down.
Wait, where's your tip? God damn. It's the size of my.
I hope we're not compensating for anything.
Tell me you keep mulch in the back of your truck at all times?
Hey, look, when people tell me, oh, your truck is kind of squatted, blah, 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 well, I'm actually hauling mulch, okay?
Where's the lawnmower?
I got an excuse.
Where's the wang?
Christina wouldn't let me bring the lawnmower. She wouldn't let me bring it. I'm so upset. But I got the snap-on jack just in case we need it. I got the big exhaust tip. I'm gonna give these old tips to my dad while I'm here. I got the shark tail hitch. I got a pair of Hirachis back here in case anybody wants to get crossed up today. I mean, in case you guys want your ankles broken. And I got a little bit of brake cleaner too. Everybody needs a little bit of brake cleaner. I don't know where the tip went.
You just put it in your mouth.
That's what she said.
We should
I guess they had a fire.
probably get out of here. It's funny, somebody just commented on my video from yesterday that I posted a little while ago that we need to go fishing in today's video. And we actually just went fishing for a little while. Me and the old boy, man. He hadn't been on the channel in a long time. Probably, actually, I think you were one of the only people that were on the channel last time I was here. Because we took thumbnail pictures in the Moe's parking lot. But my boy has glowed up just a little bit, and I have to show you guys. First of all, we didn't catch anything fishing, so I'm not gonna show you guys any of that because it was completely pointless. But my boy has definitely glowed up a little bit since, and I actually just took a ride in this because he drove me from the other side of the pond. And the roles have reversed, you know. I used to drive him around in my truck, now he's driving me around in his truck. In his truck, it sounds so fucking good. But first, before we listen to how beautiful it sounds, you guys need to appreciate the forces. My boy's got some, I don't even have forces. And my man's got some forces, just a leveling kit and forces. And it's just the cleanest truck, just the cleanest Silverado. We got the color match badges up front. And it just literally, it's so clean. That's all you need. And it's, I think it's straight pipe from the cat's back, right? True dual straights cat back. So is it true dual from the headers?
No, from the 2 monitor cats.
Okay. So true dual straights from the cats, third cat delete. Crank it up, let me hear it. And this isn't even a cold start either. Oh, I don't know why, because yours is the 5.3, same exact engine that I have. And yours sounds so much deeper, and honestly, it might be, do you have 3-inch piping under it?
2.5.
It's 2.5, so you've got literally the same exact setup that I had with when I had the long tips, these tips. When I had, if you guys remember, when I had those tips on there, that was the same exact setup. I had the true dual straights. Actually, no, I didn't. Mine had a Y pipe from the cats. Maybe that's what it is. Yours has the true duals.
Can you rev it?
Yeah, rev it one time for me. Let's hear it. That's why his sounds so much better, because it's the true duals. I never noticed that. Listen to this. Yeah, see that? Yeah, see, that sounds so much better than mine did. I like that a lot. 22x12s on some Toyos in the back with the spike lug nuts. I mean, it literally, it doesn't get any better than that. That's to me, this is the perfect setup. If you're not gonna go above and beyond and lift the hell out of your truck, this is the perfect setup. Leveling kit, 22x12 chrome wheels with some Toyos or Nittos, and call it a day. Amar, beautiful truck. Oh man, it's been a long day. We've been up since about 4:15 this morning. It's about 10:30. We finally made it back home. Wheel lights are still looking good. I mean, it's been a It's been a solid first day back in Tallahassee. I can't wait to wake up in the morning, start it back like an old vlog, just really have a great day tomorrow. There is a big truck show tomorrow, so if you guys want to see that video, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, come back tomorrow for the next day's video, and we'll see you guys next time. Let's get this bread.
This is bread, baby!